Hey, it's Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. This year, 2021 alone, starting from 1st January till today, 24th October, these are my affiliate commissions from 3 of my accounts. One account on Warrior Plus, $114,222. Another account on Warrior Plus, $58,950. And one account on JVZoo, $38,808. Total earning from these 3 accounts is $211,980. If you divide it by 10 months, it will be $21,198, which is close to $1,000 per day. But I did not calculate my ClickBank and other multiple Warrior Plus and JVZoo accounts and also Amazon accounts. So if you calculate all of them, it will be approximately $2,000 a day. But anyways, let us consider only this figure for this video. And in this video, I will show you exactly what I do to make this kind of money. The best part of it, it's 100% newbie friendly. I use one of my tools, my personal creator software, that you will also get a chance to get access to if you stick to the end of the video. In this video, I'm going to share what I do and what software I use to make this kind of money. A software that snatches other people's content, authority content of highest quality in just one click, and a special AI content generator software that helps me write awesome and professional content in just a few minutes without spending a lot of money. And if you stick to the video and watch till the end, I will give you my personal template of writing product reviews and promotions and make this kind of money. So let's begin. Let's start with an Amazon product. I have a serious problem in my office, and I believe it's a universal problem. Roaches. I hate roaches. I'm sure you hate them too. Whether you love roaches or hate roaches, let us continue because it's all about making money, $1,000 a day from affiliate marketing. So while looking for roach killers or roach removers, I came to this product. 16,123 ratings and customers rated average 4.3 out of 5. So it's definitely a popular product. The product works, people love it, and this company knows how to market their products. This is something we want to promote in order to make money fast. So step number 1, I want to know what people are searching on Google about this product or about this problem. So I chose a couple of keywords that are on the title of this product and searched on Google Keyword Planner tool. The location can be universal, but I chose United States, language English, and I kept only Google. And what I found was amazing in terms of many different kinds of keywords that people use to look for the solution to their problems. Here, roach bait, how to get rid of cockroaches forever. I want it. Cockroach bait. Really? A lot of people are looking for cockroach baits. Roach traps. Oh my god. Why would people look for traps? But yes, people are looking for it. Look at this long tail keyword. How to get rid of roaches in apartment. Another one, how to get rid of heavy roach infestation. Honestly, I would have never searched with phrases like this, but look at the knowledge we are gathering from here. We are reading people's mind, the customer's mind, people who are badly looking to remove cockroaches, and they are ready to spend money on this. The proof that people spend money? Here, this is the proof. Another one very interesting, how to get rid of roaches without an exterminator. Alright, now we have done our basic research. Now we want to be ready to promote this product fast. And what we want is to create an awesome product review like this that people love to go through and people would love to share that in the social media. So more and more visitors visit our page and eventually they click our affiliate links and buy from there, and we make affiliate commission. So I came to Uber Suggest. It's a freemium software. I have paid plan, but to start you can use the free account. Now when I searched with one of the keywords, roach bait, I found the similar numbers, which makes sense. And what I found here is the top website websites that are getting visitors for this keyword. So I quickly looked at their content and I have an idea what they are talking about in their content. I found another article which is also awesome, and we can take ideas from this content, and even we can hijack this content completely and legally using Maven, my own software. You will get access. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. Now, if I really want to just quickly hijack one of the awesome articles, I will simply copy the URL. Then I will go to Maven, click add blog, just paste the URL, click create. I can add image from all these options. I chose Pixabay and search with roaches, and let's choose this one. Just click and the image is added. The full content is hijacked and imported. Now I will quickly add a little bit of formatting to the content, make it a little bold, a little italic. Then I will do some more bold and more italic just to make it nice. And I will take my affiliate link and click on this link button, Control V, and let's say we want it in a new window, click save. And then another one, click here, Control V, new window, click save. Maybe we want another one here, see more information. That's legal information. But we'll go see more, click bold, italic, click link, and leave it to the current window, click save. When I'm happy with what I have done with the formatting and linking, I will click save. Oh, it's asking me to add a blog title. I'll write the best roach bait review. Click save. Content is saved. Now the magical part. This content is hijacked content. It's not our content and it's not unique. I cannot really use it this way. So the most ethical and legal solution is to rewrite it. And that's why we have integrated the best of the best content rewriter. All I have to do is to simply click this yellow circle, and the software is doing its magic with the help of the best content rewriter. And now we have the most awesome human written quality content ready to make money for us. Now click save. Now this is a chunk of text. We want to add more images. For that, click anywhere you want to add an image, go to the image section, choose any of these options. Let's say Pixabay, type your keyword, click search. Couldn't find anything, so let's change the keyword and search again. Let's add this one. It looks new, added. Super cool, right? Now let's add something here. I chose Google CC, and let's choose another image. Now you may want to add a video. For that, go to YouTube. All you need is to right click on the video, copy the embed code, click on the video button, paste it. Make sure you click a location where you want to paste the video, and then click add, and the video is added. Super cool, right? Now you can go on and on. You can even add your opt-in form using the custom text or HTML. Once you are done, click save, and your content is ready to rock and roll. Add your author name, add description, anchor tags, select a category, and if you have any script like retargeting script or Google Analytics, add them here. You can choose publish later and schedule your post, or you can publish now. Once it's published in one click, just click on this I button, and yes, your awesome product review is ready to rock and roll with your links in it, and you have videos, you have everything that has been added. And the content is exactly professionally written content. But if you want to write your own review, I highly recommend it. Then you can use a couple of templates which will make your life super easy. One of them is this one. Link is in the description. You can find it. Another one is this. You'll find the link in the description. And I know about a software. It's called Kakoo, CACOO.com. You can create free trial account. You don't need credit card to create a trial account, and simply look for product review template. This template will show up, and you can actually write down notes in here. Just edit this text here and everywhere and prepare your review. Don't worry, because you have AI software, so writing will not be a problem. Now let's say, according to this template, you need an excellent title. Include the product name plus review, stand out from other titles in the SERPs. For that, go to copy blocks, add a new project. The project name will be product name plus review. Create new project. The bot will help you prepare your review. So what is the name of your product? The product name will be this, and then click enter. Now you have to describe the product in 200 characters. For that, you should copy the description bullet points paste it in a Google Doc. It's free. This will help you find the word count and the character count. Now here we have 524 characters. We want to squeeze them to 200 characters. So I'm going to change a few stuff here and there and replace them with shorter phrases or words. I'll remove unwanted sentences. I don't need this place, or I don't need this sentence. We are almost there. We are very close. We are absolutely there. It took me a couple of minutes. Now copy paste. I think we have additional. Okay, so copy. Let me paste it here and click enter. Prefer tone for this case, I'll use friendly. Click enter. Let's make it highly creative. Enter. My target audience will be male, female, age 24 to 65. Hit enter. Language English, enter, and click write my copy and let copy blocks do its magic. Now we got some general ad copy. What we want right now is to go to blog section and try blog post ideas. Let's try generate copy. This looks awesome, right? This skills roaches the benefits of Combat Max, a product review of Combat Max. Well, it needs a little bit of change, so let's try the second one. It's bait to catch 'em all, a blog around how Combat Max 12 month. You just have to add how Combat Max, or you just click generate copy. It will add more copy for you. I think this one looks perfect. I'm going to take it and add it to the title. Now you need a concise introduction, establish your authority as a reviewer, develop empathy with your readers. Try with blog post intros and click generate copy. You can take any of these, or you can go to pain agitation solution. This one is amazing. If you are like me and you want to write your own product review, then here is an awesome template for you. Link is in the description. I'm going to show you how you can use copy blocks, AI writer, and write your own awesome high converting copy or product review with just clicks and copy paste. First of all, open a Google Doc, copy and paste the whole title from the product, and then copy all the features or bullet points. Paste them here and make sure they are under 200 characters. Go to copy blocks, add a new project. The project name will be review. I'll add number 2, create new project. Now the bot will help you write. So where's the product name? This is the product name. Click enter. Describe your product in 200 characters. Copy this part, go here, paste here, and click. Now, I want the voice, tone of the voice to be friendly. Click enter. I want it highly creative. Enter. And the audience will be male, female, age 24 to 65. US citizen, or just forget about it. Click enter. Language English, enter, and click write my copy. Now the copy blocks will do its magic. This is the general ad copy. First we need an intro. To write an intro in this format, we will go to sales copy, AIDA, and click generate copy. Some awesome introduction has been generated. I love this one, so I'm going to copy it, paste it here, and remove these words: attention, interest, desire. Now the product name with a brief explanation. For that, I'll go to website and e-commerce and use the product description section. Click generate copy. I think all the three are super awesome. I'm just going to take one of them and hit enter. Plus I will take this one because it talks about side effects and environmental friendliness. Look at this, just copy and paste, and your product review is getting ready. Now I have to add features, list relevant features relevant to your review. So for that, I'm going to copy everything. Start from here, and then I will add these two information as well. Control V, and I will actually copy this customer's review, which is a 5-star rating, and paste it here. Here is what a customer says. Make it italic. There are many different ways you can use copy blocks. Oh, by the way, there are more product description here, so I'm going to just copy it and paste them here. If you want to add questions or FAQ according to this template, you can always use these bullet points, like how many hours does it take to take effect. You can mention in a few hours, or you can use customers reviews where one customer mentioned about 24 hours. Similarly, the answers and questions should come from the original product listing on Amazon or the product sales page. So the readers will read in your blog or your review, and then they will get the same answer when they will visit the sales page. This way, using Google, the product sales page, and copy blocks, you can generate your own killer product review that will generate